up! Oh my god! You know, guys, it's like a roller coaster. Really.
Finishing on the wire, huh? Like everybody watching you. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Hoppla. So you can pass your arms back.
70.
Like, let's go.
Let's go.
Up, welcome in the sky. You can sit properly, very much.
Yeah.
And
I can
let's
see
go.
that. Nice.
Yeah, welcome in the sky. If you have any question, you tell me.
Yeah, sure. So, you have a license?
Yes, I have a license.
So, how can we get that?
But you have to be good.
Uh-huh.
You know, they start to give a license 2 years ago. So, like, before I used to fight for 15 years
15?
to get a license because people was asking me a license, but no license was possible. So, like,
Okay.
but finally, now it's possible.
It's nice. You know to fly the aeroplane and all?
I used to fly in hang gliding.
Okay.
And some other flying, like I used to jump a little bit in parachute.
Nice.
But aeroplane, no.
Okay.
It's take a lot of time to learn.
Hey, just a minute, let me vlog now, okay?
Yes.
Hey guys, actually, he's from France actually, and he's our pilot today. And this is my first experience, so I don't know. It was awesome. You can see the beach and all. Hey, let me show you. Hey, can you please say hi to my subscribers?
Hi. Hello.
Yeah, he's so good.
Ende Pere Orel.
Yeah, I think he told me that he is learning Malayalam and all. That's cool.
Malayalam.
Yeah.
Padikunu.
Padikunu, yeah.
4,500. Yes.
Wow. Guys, what a view, guys.
So like we are on South Cliff. Like right now I fly peacefully. If you want to get some tricks, it will be possible, but a little bit after, you know.
Okay.
We take a coconut.
Fully തങ്ങിന്ന് ഓലയൊക്കെ വലിക്കാൻ നോക്കുക. വാ, അതൊരു സൂപ്പർ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആട്ടോ ഗൈസ്. കണ്ടില്ല, എവിടെ നിന്നുള്ള വ്യൂ കണ്ടില്ലേ? നൈസ്. നിറയെ ആൾക്കാർ ഇതുപോലെ ഫ്ലൈ ഉണ്ട് ഗൈസ്. ഇതിൻ്റെ കോസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 4,500 ഫോർ 20 മിനിറ്റ്സ് ആട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ 20 മിനിറ്റ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ ലാൻഡ് ആവും. ഇത് എവിടെ നിന്നാണ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഹെലിപാഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞൊരു പ്ലേസ് ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ വർക്കലി, നമ്മുടെ ഹോസ്റ്റലിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് തന്നെയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ നിന്നാണ് ടേക്ക് ഓഫ്, ലാൻഡിങ് അവിടെ തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും കേട്ടോ. നൈസ്. ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ 2 ടൈപ്പ് ഉണ്ട്. ദർ ഈസ് വൺ പവേർഡ് ഓൾസോ, റൈറ്റ്?
So some paramotoring, but this is one of the company, and right now they don't do tandem flight. They're just doing solo flight.
Nice, okay.
Because right now you fly with me, and me I am a freelancer, means I can fly adventure.
Yeah, that's nice. That's cool. So you have any YouTube channel or anything?
Yeah. I love to do some video, but means I don't try to live from this. Means it's just for fun, you know, like for for
nice.
speaking. I will give you my contact anyway. Like you will find me.
Yeah, sure. I will send you this video. Okay.
Nice. Which part of Kerala are you from?
I'm from actually on the middle, like no, close to Cochin. There is a Palakkad.
Palakkad.
Yeah.
Palakkad. Okay. Yeah, I know a little bit. My wife comes from Erinjalakuda.
Really?
Yeah. My wife is
nice.
I used to live since 2007 here. So means like more to 15 years.
Here, okay, nice.
You are ready to play a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Tak.
Wow! Oh god! No, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Oh my god. You know, guys, it's like a roller coaster. Awesome. It was a super experience, guys. ഉറപ്പായി ട്രൈ ചെയ്യണോട്ടോ. അത് അടിപൊളി എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആട്ടോ. സെറ്റ് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആണ്. നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് കറക്റ്റായിട്ടുള്ള ആ ഒരു ബീച്ചിൻ്റെ വ്യൂ കണ്ടില്ലേ? Yeah.
I live inside. I don't live in the touristic area. I live inside.
Okay.
More peaceful place.
Okay. There is lots of tourists and all here.
Wow, I like to live in privacy.
Nice, calm life.
Yeah, and like this, you know, you can be peace at home, and if you want to see people, you can come in the touristic place and meet new people. But I have a wife, I have a child.
You have a family. Oh, really?
Yeah.
How old is he? He or she?
10 years old.
He or she?
A boy. Ayan.
Boy?
Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan.
Nice. Cool.
You live from video? You live from vlog and video and the marketing like this? Or?
Not marketing and all. I'm just travel vlogs and all.
Okay.
Travel vlogs, motor vlogging.
Okay.
Yeah, that kind of stuff.
From a long time, so like?
Actually, I have a job also. This is my part-time and all.
Okay.
Wow. That's really cool. What happened?
No, I checked the bag. I think I have some visiting card in my bag.
Yeah, okay. Do you have WhatsApp number on that?
Yeah, WhatsApp is
Nice.
all on the card.
Nice. So, മൂപ്പർക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ വേണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ മൂപ്പറിൻ്റെ കാർഡ് തരാമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ എന്നിട്ട് ആ കാർഡിലേക്ക് വീഡിയോ അയച്ചു കൊടുക്കാം.
Yeah, magic card.
Nice. So this is your WhatsApp number?
Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number, like some Google information, my website, everything.
Nice, thanks.
But
I will upload this video on the drive and I will send you the link, okay?
Yeah, or like any way, means if you put something on your Instagram and this, I can share also on mine, or like, I don't know, like,
okay,
you know
okay.
better how it works. You're more young to me, you know me, like Instagram, Facebook, or I know how it works, but means I tell you, it's more for playing, you know, like hobby.
Yeah, actually I'm a video creator because that's for hobby. I like the video editing and shooting and all. So that's why I'm doing it.
Wow,
and
that's good hobby. It's
yeah.
Now with all the new
nice. Yeah. Wow, it's nice. Nice.
Long time ago.
Okay.
Long time ago.
Okay. Actually, what about Ladakh? You went to Ladakh?
Ladakh?
You
no,
went to?
I've never been to Ladakh.
You should visit there.
Yeah.
I think there is
it's very nice. I hear many good things here.
Yeah, actually the climate and all is really super. You have to visit there.
Yeah, we check the bamboo.
Wow, it's awesome. It's nice. No, I think. Oh, I'm really scared, you know.
Okay, so when we will go landing, I will ask you to stand up.
Okay, fine.
So you stand up and you click stand up.
Okay.
And Akash, who was on the takeoff in front of you, will welcome you.
Okay. ഏകദേശം നമ്മൾ ലാൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകട്ടാ. സൂപ്പർ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആണ്, നമ്മൾ മസ്റ്റ് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യണം. Yeah, okay. How can you stand up? Yeah, like this? Okay.
Non, mais that's you can. Send me a message on WhatsApp.
Yeah, sure. What about this?
Well, you
Can I keep it there? Yeah, okay then. Bye, bro.
See you, bye.
Okay, bye.
C'est
ഒരു അടിപൊളി എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് കേട്ടോ. മൂപ്പര് ഫ്രാൻസിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ആളാണ്. മൂപ്പര് വീഡിയോ ഉണ്ട്, വ്ളോഗറാണെന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ മൂപ്പര് കാർഡൊക്കെ തന്നു ഈ വീഡിയോ അയച്ചു തരണം എന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്. അതുപോലെ മൂപ്പര് കുറച്ച് ട്രിക്സൊക്കെ കാണിച്ചു കേട്ടോ. നമ്മൾ വ്ളോഗ് യൂട്യൂബിലിടാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ ദൈവമേ, വണ്ടി ആളിങ്ങനെ ഫുള്ളായിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ചരിച്ചിട്ടതൊക്കെ എടുത്തതാണ്. റോളർ കോസ്റ്ററിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്ന പോലെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു കേട്ടോ. അടിപൊളി എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് കഴിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഉറപ്പായി ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കണം കേട്ടോ.